Good day everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can convert fractional binary to decimal. So for example, convert the binary number 0.1011 to decimal. Solution: you are going to use this tool to open the bracket, so that will be 0 times 2 dots 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So the next thing now is that the position of 2 before dot will be 0. The position of 2 after dot will be raised power minus 1. The next one will be raised power minus 2. The next one will be raised power minus 3. And the last one will be raised power minus 4. So the next thing now is that you are going to do the operation 0 times 3 raised power 0 is 0 dot 2 raised power minus 1 is 0.5. 2 raised power minus 2 times 0 is 0. 2 raised power minus 3 is 0.125. 2 raised power minus 4 is 0.0625, and this gives us 0.6875. So finally, this means that 0.1011 in base 2 equals to 0.6875 in base 10. Now guys, let's do this. Conversion of fractional decimal to binary. Convert a decimal 0.625 to binary. It is very simple. Right there, it is very simple. Just write solution 0.625 to binary. This is what we are going to do. The question is 0.625. You are going to split this into two like this. 0 plus 0.625. This is in base 10. This is also in base 10. The next thing you are going to do is that this decimal part, we are going to use repeated multiplication by 2 method. This is what I mean. If we just bring this out, 0.625, it will multiply by 2. If we multiply 0.625 by 2, if we should multiply 0.625 by 2, we are going to get 1.25. This one, we will write it out. The remaining part here, which is 0.25, you are going to rewrite it under here, 0.25. The remaining parts, you write it under here, 0.25 times 2. You will get, 0.25 times 2 is going to give you 0.5. 0.25 times 2 is going to give you what? 0. So guys, you will then notice that the first part here is what? Is 0. We also write it out, 0. Then the next thing you are going to do is what? You've written out this first part, 0. The remaining thing is 0.5, right? So you write 0.5 times 2. And this will give you what? 1.00. This one, we also write it out. So you are going to stop here because the next value is already 0.0. Are you there? So now you want to notice something. You are to read down or from top to bottom. So once you stop here, you are going to read down. Are you there? You are going to read down. So this will be 10. This will be 101. So this simply means that your 0.625 in base 10 is equals to 0.101. Let me do it like this. 0.625 in base 10 is equals to 0 in base 10 plus dots. Dots 625, so we can put 0 here in base 10. So this in base 10 will give us 0 plus, and this in base 10 according to what we've done will give us dots. Dots 1, 0, 1, and the final answer will be 0.101 base 2. Let's look at the final aspects. Let's look at the final aspects. Let's say you have this question, example 5. Example 5. Convert the decimal 25.75 base 10 to binary. Right solution. $25.75 base 10. You are going to split this into two as this. Check this out. 25 base 10.75 base 10. You can then put a 0 like this. We are going to solve this using division by 2 method. We're going to solve this using repeated division by 2 method, and you will solve this part using repeated multiplication by 2 method. And let's do this. So this will go as this. 2 in 25 is 12. Remainder 1. 2 in 12 is 6. Remainder 0. 2 in 6 is 3. Remainder 0. 2 in 3 is 1. Remainder 1. 2 in 1 is 0. Remainder 1. Then we go from the top We go from the bottom to the top. So your 25 base 10 equals 10011 in what? Is 2. We are going to do this using repeated multiplication by 2. This simply means that our 0.75 will be equal, we are going to multiply it by 2, rather. So we multiply 0.75 by 2, we are going to get 1.5. We're going to get what? 1.5. So this one, you will write it out. 1. Are you there? You're going to write this one, you will write it out. So the remaining aspect here, the remaining part here of 1.5 is 0.5. You will multiply 0.5 by 2 also. You're going to get 1.00. This one, the first part here, which is 1, we also what? Write it out. So guys, the next thing we are now going to do is that, you are going to stop here when this value is already 0, 0. So you will now what? You will now read it down. You're going to read it down. So this simply means that our 0.75 in base 10 will be equals to, there is dots here, will be equals to dots 1, 1 and base 2. So finally, don't forget that our 25.75 in base 10 was initially equals to, after the splitting, 25 in base 10 plus 0.75 in base 10. So this then shows that the value of 25 in base 10 is this 1001112, and the value of this is this dot 1 1 is 2. So this can there be equals to addition of this and this 10011 dot 1 1 base 2, and this is your what? Final answer.